Rhein Falls is one of the largest, if not the largest waterfall in Europe. Located right on the border between Switzerland and Germany, this waterfall is truly magnificent and well worth a visit. Rhein Falls is located in the middle of a small town called Neuhausen, so getting there is very easy. There are two parking lots nearby, on either side of the river. The one on the southern shore next to the castle is free, but we decided to leave our car on the northern parking lot since the views are somewhat better from that side. There are many different places to take a photograph from along the shore next to the waterfall, so I suggest to spend some time, explore the area and find a composition that works best for you.
So we're here at the falls, they're just to the right of me, and we're just basically walking along the shore looking for a good spot to take some pictures. There are actually boats that go to the island in the middle of the river. That's the only way you can get there, by the boat. And there is a viewpoint up there, so we decided not to go to this viewpoint because it's kind of short in time. It's only an hour and a half before sunset, and we just want to walk along and see if we can find a good spot. I've been unlucky with the sunset, really, because I was hoping that the sky would light up with colors, but it didn't. It just slowly faded away into kind of bluish hue, so It's a bit unlucky, but it's a good reason to return here, I guess.
If you're coming to the Rhein Falls from Germany, another spot worth stopping by is Hohentwiel, located near the town of Singen. Hohentwiel is the largest castle ruins in Germany, and if you're into castles, ruins, and all things medieval, you definitely should not miss it.
There is a castle ruins atop the hill here. It's actually the largest in Germany. It's called Hohentwiel. We're making a stop here right now. Gonna go up top, see if we can get some interesting photos up there. It's actually a paid visit, so you have to pay like $4.50 for a ticket to the top, but it's not too much.
One thing to keep in mind is that during autumn the ruins are only open until 6 p.m. and the last entry is an hour earlier at 5. We didn't realize this and nearly missed it. Luckily we managed to get in at the last second, but unfortunately that meant that we only had 1 hour to explore, and it's hardly enough.
We barely made it into the castle. We actually didn't realize that the castle works till 6 p.m. The last entry is at 5. We went to the guy and he basically just let us in. The last moment he opened the gate specifically for us. So yeah, we basically have just 1 hour to explore here. We were just heading to the car when those beautiful God rays happened right in front of us. Basically, just there. It's like a gift, you know?
That's it for this video. Next time we'll be heading to a beautiful region of Dolomites in Italy. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel to see more content from me, and I will see you very soon.
You can actually stop at the town called Zinger. There's a place here called... I don't remember what the called.